Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome if you're new. Today I decided to make a pound cake because I don't usually bake, but I like being in the kitchen sometimes. So today I'm going to be making a pound cake, and I got this recipe from Preppy Kitchen. I'll leave a link in the description so you can check out the actual recipe. But yeah, let's get into the video. So the ingredients you'll need are 4 eggs, 2 sticks of unsalted butter, which is a cup, half a cup of sour cream, half a teaspoon of baking powder, a teaspoon of salt, a lemon, which is optional, a cup of sugar, 1.5 cups of flour, and 2 tablespoons of vanilla. Also, please excuse my nails. I have not been able to get them done because of this quarantine. So the first thing you're going to want to do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, you're going to want to spray your pan with cooking spray. Now you're going to want to whisk together your flour, baking powder, and salt in a medium bowl until that is completely combined, and you're going to set that aside. So I did this step completely wrong. You are not supposed to add the sugar and the butter together at first. You're only supposed to put the butter in and then mix that until it's smooth. As you can see, the butter is not mixing, so I'm going to put it in the microwave. I do not recommend this because you're not supposed to put metal in the microwave, but my butter was not melting, so that is what I had to do. As you can see, the butter is pretty mixed now, so I'm going to add the sugar, and then you're going to mix this until it is incorporated and mixed well. So at this point, I was trying to hold the camera with my neck, which did not work at all. I'm just trying to show you that I was putting the eggs in one at a time. So the butter and the eggs and the sugar was not mixing very well. It was not incorporating together. I don't know if that makes sense, but it was not working together. Now I am adding the half a cup of sour cream into the mixture. So I've added 1 tablespoon of vanilla. I'm adding another one, so you're supposed to have 2. And then you want to mix all of this until it is fully incorporated. This step is optional, but you can add some lemon zest into the mixture at this point. Finally, you're going to want to mix in your flour, baking soda, and salt mixture until that is all fully incorporated and it looks nice and smooth. And make sure you're scraping the sides and the bottom of the bowl when you're mixing after each step so everything is incorporated nicely. Now, as you can see, I am moving the spatula around, trying to make sure everything is incorporated well. So you want to make sure you do this so there's no flour or butter or sugar that is left out of the mixture. After mixing everything, you want to pour the batter into your pan and you want to spread it around evenly so the batter is even on the top and it doesn't come out lumpy or weird. Now I'm going to set the timer for 40 minutes and put the cake in the oven, and make sure the cake is fully baked through so you don't have any lumps or bad patches. Alright guys, so I just put the cake in the oven as you saw, and I don't know how this is going to turn out because I'm not a baker, my sister is, and as you saw during the mixing process, the butter did not want to come together. So I'm hoping that it turns out good, but I'm not sure about that. But right now I'm about to make the lemon glaze. For the lemon glaze, you're going to need 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. I freshly squeezed mine, and that's the same lemon I used for the zest. You're also going to need powdered sugar. This is about 1 cup and 1/4. So here I just strained the lemon juice into the powdered sugar, but if you have lemon juice that is store-bought, it's fine to just pour it in there. And now I'm just going to mix it all together. So this is the final glaze. I added about 1.5 cups of powdered sugar, so it was a really good consistency. Now that the cake is done, I'm just poking a skewer into it to make sure that it's fully baked on the inside. And as you can see, there are no crumbs, so the cake is done. Oh, that looks so cute. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Oh, that is so cute. I did that. Alright guys, so this is the final product. Well, I still have to put the lemon glaze on it. So yeah, but this is the product. And yeah, I'm gonna put the glaze on now. Peoples, well, I don't want to drop this cake, but this is the finale product. actually. Hold on, I'm gonna try a piece of this first before I just like recommend you try this, because well, I made this, so that may have like an impact on the taste. But you know, let's just try it. So I have a knife and I'm about to try a piece of this lemon pound cake. I don't want to get too big of a piece because I haven't eaten dinner yet, so. Ooh, you know what? Okay. Hopefully this is good. All right, so here is the piece that I have. Yes, this is the piece. Okay, so I'm gonna take my piece off and put it on a napkin. Okay. That's the little crack right there. So this is my piece and I'm gonna eat it. It's actually pretty good. I think I should have added more lemon to the batter, because not lemon, but like the lemon zest, because you can't really taste it. But the lemon icing thing is really, really good. But it's also like, well, you know, it's like very lemony. Yeah, it was pretty good. If you're trying to get a pound cake kind of like consistency, you know, I wouldn't really go with this recipe, like my mother told me, but I didn't really listen. But you know, that's what we have parents for. But yeah, so there's a different type of flour you're supposed to use for like cake recipe, not cake, pound cake. I used all-purpose flour, like I said. But yeah, so I don't remember what it's called, but it's not the flour that I use. That tastes like cake. It doesn't taste like pound cake, you know. It's good, but you know, it could be better. So I give this recipe probably like a 6 or 7 out of 10, because it doesn't taste, I mean, it tastes good. It tastes like cake, and the lemon icing, the lemon icing wasn't with this recipe, but the lemon icing was really good and it added to it. So the recipe by itself, I gave a 6 out of 10, but the lemon, that is good. I made that. I also freshly squeezed the lemon, so you know, yeah, that's great too. But yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something from my mistakes. But please go like and subscribe, and follow my Instagram, which is at Styles by Christa, and my Depop. I'm gonna be putting hopefully some more clothes on there soon. And I might do a Depop inventory video, so let me know if you want to see that. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. See you next Saturday.